Hi everyone. So today I want to talk about some of the things that actually happen when you're suffering from mental illness or anxiety, panic attacks. For me, still, it's loud noises. So if I go for a walk somewhere and I hear a car backfire or someone yells suddenly, my body just tenses automatically, because remember, we go into fight or flight mode, and it actually takes me a while to calm myself down. So why I'm talking to you about this is I want you to know that it is normal. When we're going through mental health, we almost cocoon ourselves into a safe environment, and when we find the courage and we're brave to step out of that environment, and then we hear someone shouting, it automatically, our brain goes into fight or flight mode. Remember, that shoots neurons down to our nervous system, which puts our body under pressure. Once again, it's breathing and meditation that will get us back. But the point is today, don't be afraid if that's happening to you. It is a normal process of anxiety and mental health. And you've got this. You'll get through it. I know you will.